Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be guiding you how to log into your ICICI Mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first thing to do in order to log into ICICI Mortgage account is to open a web browser and type in the official URL, that is icicibank.com, and enter. This will then take you to the official website for ICICI Bank. From this page, simply go to the top right corner and mouse over to your login button. Now click on the personal option in order to log into your internet banking for ICICI Bank. You can also select any other account types to log into. After you do that, in the internet banking login page, enter your user ID in the first text box. On the next field, type in your password for your accounts. From the drop-down under Start In, select where you'd like to end up soon after you log into your online banking account. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, check this Remember User ID box. If you don't want to do that since you're using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked. And finally, click on Login, which will then log you into your ICICI Internet Banking homepage. Go ahead and click on the mortgage or home loan option to get access to your mortgage. So that is how you should be able to log into your ICICI mortgage account, quick and easy. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.